us look at how Agentic AI is useful in the financial services industry. Compliance and risk management is one strong area where Agentic AI can really play a great role because of its complexity and the need for being accurate. An Agentic AI can understand a compliance query from a user with the help of its large language model, and the large language model can infer further about the user's query, pass it on to the large retrieval model, which using its RAG system is able to go and retrieve exact regulations and rules related to the user query so that the groundedness is established. And the large retrieval model can also do some enhanced verification about the rules to see what rules are being violated based on the user query. And once that is established, a large retrieval model can hand it over to the large action model, which will go and update the corresponding violations in either databases or in visualization tools or reporting tools, or finally send it to downstream applications or notifications. That's an area where an Agentic AI can play a huge role in compliance. Loan approvals is another area where Agentic AI can be very powerfully used. A lot of documentation is needed for loan approvals. Agentic AI can look at a customer profile, go check against markets, look at customer transactions, provide enhanced verification with the use of large retrieval models, and help the loan to be approved or rejected as though a loan officer would be able to do by using large action models. Finally, fraud or handling fraud is a very important aspect that an Agentic AI can do. Being able to understand different types of transactions, find anomalies in the transactions, and go and update transaction databases real time saying that it's a fraud or a not fraud and stop the transaction from executing could be one strong use case of Agentic AI.